In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to display posts on a page in WordPress. Having a dedicated blog page to display posts on your WordPress website makes it easy for your readers to locate your content. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can display your posts on a page and how WordPress displays your blog posts by default. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Reading. And here in the How Your Homepage Displays, you can set this to your latest posts so that whenever you publish a post, it is displayed on your homepage. This is the easiest method of showing posts on your homepage in WordPress. However, it becomes ineffective if instead you require that your homepage displays static content. In that case, you can create a new page. I'll give this page a title like Posts, and then click here to add a new block, and search for Latest. Click on this option called Latest Posts, and all your latest posts will be displayed here. Now let's preview this page, and your posts are displayed here. When someone clicks on it, they get redirected to that post. You can also display your posts on your sidebar. Back in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Widgets. Simply drag and drop the Recent Posts widget on your sidebar. You can give this widget a title and select the number of posts you want to display. And if you want to display the post date, you can select it from here. Then click on Save, and done. Now let's go to the website. And as you can see, the posts are displayed on the sidebar. You can also use a plugin to display your posts. Using a plugin gives you more customization options. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Content Views plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. If you notice, you'll see the Content Views icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, then click on Add View. Give this view a title. You can select the content type from here. I'll keep it at Posts. You can exclude and include a particular post by entering the post ID here. And then click here on Sort By. And you can select how you want to sort the posts. And how you want to order them. Then click on Save. Okay, now in the display settings, you can select how you want to display the posts from here, and then click on Save. Now, copy this shortcode and create a new page. Give this page a title, then click here to add a new block, and type shortcode in the search. Click on Shortcodes, and paste the shortcode here. Let's preview the page. And as you can see, all the posts are displayed on the page. This is how you can display posts on a page in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.